In this video, we will be looking at expansion and contraction. What I'd like you to do is pause the video and think about what has happened to the train track. And why do you think this has happened? We will address this later on in the video. So, expansion and contraction. What we will be looking at is the words expansion and contraction and define them. We will describe how expansion and contraction happen in solids. So first of all, I'd like you to make a prediction about the heat and ball experiment. What do you think would happen if we heated the ball and tried to fit it through the hoop? So why does expansion and contraction occur? So with the ball and hoop, either expansion or contraction has taken place. When it is cooled, look at the particles and how they are arranged. When it is heated, this is what happens to the particles. So what exactly does happen to the particles? 1. They vibrate faster. 2. They have more energy. Because they have more energy, they move further apart. And number 4, this makes the solid expand and occupy a larger space. So, why do you think using this solid substances will get slightly warmer in the winter months? And think back to the train tracks in the heat. Let's go back to the train track. So what has happened? When substances expand or contract, the particles stay the same size. It is the space between the particles that changes. The particles in solid vibrate more when it is heated. Therefore, in the summer, the train tracks expand and take up more room. The particles, however, in a liquid move around each other more when it is heated and take up more room. In a gas, the particles move more quickly in all directions when it is heated and take up more room. In the winter, these train tracks would go back to normal